Newton's three laws of motion.
Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest will stay at rest and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an external force. This law shows that all objects have a tendency to maintain their original state of motion. An external force is necessary for causing a change in speed, direction, or state of motion. The resistance to this external force is called inertia. For example, a cylinder tape rests on a flat surface tends to maintain its rest till infinity if no external force acts on it. However, an external force acts on the cylinder by pushing it from the outside, helps to break the rest and starts its motion. On the other hand, if the cylinder tape is in constant motion and an external force acts on it, it may accelerate or change in direction.
Newton's second law talks about how an object would move. Acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied. To cause an object to accelerate, a force must be applied. Now let's take a look at these two boxes. One is filled with things and the other empty. When both boxes are pushed with the same force, the empty box goes further as it has less mass than the other box. So, the more mass there is, the more force is required to push the object. If we apply little force to the empty box, it does not go that far. But, if we apply more force to pushing the box, it travels a further distance. So, to get more acceleration, we need to apply greater force.
Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. If object A exerts a force on object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. When sitting on a chair, for example, our body exerts a downward force on the chair. The chair, in turn, exerts an upward force on the body, supporting the person sitting on it. Another example is a ball hitting a wall. When the ball hits a wall, the ball exerts a force to the wall. In response, the wall also exerts the same amount of force, thus making the ball bounce back.